guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Guys, we've been doing this 2 years now, and you guys should be saying the intro with me at this point. No excuses, okay? But today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to get this tropical, colorful makeup glam look while my cousin goes by No Cash, Broke Ass on Instagram, does my voiceover. Now, yes, the title is not clickbait at all. He is actually colorblind. So this is going to be quite different, quite interesting. I even wore a colorful shirt, I'm not saying what color it is, on purpose. Because it's just going to be interesting to see what colors he thinks I'm using. I don't know. Do you want to say hi? Okay, it's my channel, so that's enough. But yeah, so guys, if you're ready to see how I get this tropical, colorful glam look, hopefully the colors will match in the voiceover. I really don't know. But if you're ready to get into this look in this video, keep on watching.
I want that cup. That should be my cup, to be quite honest. But all right, I don't know what color that shirt is either.
Pull up Rusty.
Okay, that said tan sand. When she puts it on, it's gonna look like, I don't know. All right, I'll give that tan. I'm waiting. I'm trying to see what you're doing. What color is that? Peach? Is that a pink? The color she put on the palette is not the same color I see on her face, so I'm confused already. I'm gonna just wait it out. We gonna, I'm just gonna wait and see. The oops is right. Oops. I see something in the crease of her eye. I don't know what that is. Okay, so is that pink? Because I thought the first one was like a pink or a peach. That looks like pink to me as well. She's shaking her head yes. I don't know what it is. And she did this on purpose. She knows. Nope, I don't got it. Couldn't tell you. This is out of control already.
Pull up Rusty.
Nah. Hate it. Not the look. I can't see anything. Let me help her out. This is a Morphe E36. What's that, purple? Gray? Is it a gray? She wouldn't do gray in a tropical look. I'll go with purple because that makes sense. It's not the same blue. Like, no, it's not blue. You're not gonna throw me. That's purple. We're just gonna go with it. It's a purple. Fine. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna second guess my. Nah. Make sure you click that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. You're not gonna get frustrated with me. I don't know what you're putting on. Let's get to the next part. Please, come. Give me some more colors. New brush. Same brush.
Pull up Rusty.
This is pink. Don't ask me to pronounce that. I can't do that. It's a cream shader and concealer though. Is cream the color or is cream like the consistency? I have so much confusion. If you're happy, I'm happy. I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, smoky shader. This is blue. Tentative, question mark, not too sure. Oh, okay. If this is blue, then that other one from before was definitely purple.
Pull up Rusty.
Make sure you hit that follow button on her Instagram as well. Okay, come on, Morphe E36. Help! I don't. What is that? Come on, I can say that. That's NYX. It's a glitter primer with the synthetic flat brush. Okay. What are we putting on? Oh, she said a glitter primer, right? Okay, fine. Make it sparkle, make it pop. I guess. I don't know. What's up? Somebody tell me what's a primer for. What's the difference between the primer and the brilliance? Okay, bring back the small flat brush. Okay, I see the difference. I get it now. Fine.
Pull up Rusty.
Okay, come on with the eye sparklies. Yes, bring out the Fenty. Okay, we blend, 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 blend. Is this blending? This is blending. No. Tarte? Tan sand? Okay. Okay, it's giving Rafiki. We love to see it. I want one of those sponges.
Pull up Rusty.
Okay, so is this blending or was the other one? I'm gonna wait. Okay, translucent setting powder. Now we blend in. Everything is blending as far as I'm concerned. Damn it, I missed what that was. I didn't see eye pop though. That's an eye pop.
Pull up Rusty.
We saw this color already. I don't know what it is. I still think it's purple, but as far as I can tell, it's just dark. It's dark. It looks like a dark gray on the palette. What's that? I feel like we just bounced it between peach and purple. What? This feels like that crayon in the Crayola box. They called it Flesh. It was a little racist. So this is the blend. If it fades into a skin, I'm gonna call it blend. Maybe it's Maybelline. What is this? What is brown? It's a brown. The other ones are a brown. I feel like it's a brown. Come on, bronzer. We bronze here.
Pull up Rusty.
Okay, hot shot. What's the hot shot? there's one thing, she gonna get that nose bridge. Okay, so we have the completed look. I can't tell you any of the colors in here. I see it's like a blue, it's like a purple eye, you know.
This is the final look. I hope you guys like it, enjoyed the look as well as the video. Now you guys know I'm watching this for the first time with you, and I don't really know how he did, and I don't know. But I hope he did well. The lip combo, you guys already know. It's my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Ariie, topped with Dose of Colors Nude Moon Liquid Lipstick, as well as iconic London lip plumping gloss. Now y'all know we don't plump shit, but it look nice, don't? It's a nearly nude. The lashes are in the style Wildin. They've been my favorite recently. I don't know why, I just keep reaching for them and they just look great. It is time to clean this pair, but you guys already know. If you're seeing this, check out my website if it's still up. I am in the process of starting to rebrand. So if you use the code subscriber on the screen, you can get 50% off your entire order of $25 or more. Just remember that. But yeah, so how you guys like this tropical, colorful glam with my cousin doing voiceover? I don't know what he did. I was a little rude, y'all. I played too much because I did all these colors on purpose, and I threw on a purple shirt. The shirt's purple if you didn't know. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more voiceovers on this channel, I try to throw them in once in a while. If there's anybody you want me to collab with, if there's anyone you feel like should do a voiceover, if you want to do a voiceover, hit me up on Instagram because you guys should be following me there. Okay? Follow me on Instagram and DM me. But that is it. Guys. Sorry. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you again for doing my voiceover. I already know it's hilarious. I don't have to worry about that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.